Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I have come up with a budget planner template which is based in Google Sheets. So this is a walkthrough video of this template. I will explain you and guide you how you can use this template. And yeah, let's start with this dashboard tab where you can see we have different types of metrics here which you can select according to this drop down. If you want to see monthly data, like for example, currently the January month is selected. So here is the entire list of all the months in a year. And if you want to use this dashboard on a monthly basis, so you need to select the month of the respective month. And if you want to check the year to date data, so you need to select the annual. So here you can see your year to date data in this dashboard. And this pie chart is showing you the share of each metric and what are the most expenses you have paid within this period or year to date. So this is a very brief summary, like a dashboard, which will show you a quick glimpse of your total income, total expenses, and total savings. So let's move on to the another tab, which is a summary. Here you can see the entire month's uh, entire year and every month of data in one tab, which is an annual summary sheet. Here you can arrange, you can add your annual budgets, like for example, 2 million. So this monthly budget will automatically calculate the monthly budget will automatically filled according to your annual budget. So you can add your annual budget here uh, in the entire tables below. Like we have income, expenses, savings, bill, investment, subscription, and debt. So it is a very comprehensive uh, summary. So you can check your entire year's number under this one tab. So uh, what this sheet make very beginner friendly. So here you can see a drop down. So we have different types of uh, metrics here, like income, expense, savings. So you can change them accordingly according to your needs. So you don't need to change everything. Like for example, if you want to add another income here, another income source here. So like here, you can see you don't need to add everything one by one in all the monthly tabs here. Just you need to add in this list. Like for example, test one. So you can see this will update in every tab. So this will be a very super beginner friendly template. You don't need to hard work to change every item in the entire year's monthly tabs. Just need to add or edit or modify anything or any expense category here. So this drop down tab will be your very fundamental data input sheet. So yes, let's move on to the monthly tab so we can see how what we have here. Like you can see, you have a comparison of your budget and actual spending, actual income. The same for the expenses, bill, and all of the rest of the metrics. So, like how you can add your numbers. So you don't need to add one by one in every table. You have a transaction list table here below. So what you have to do here, if you need, you don't need to write date every time. Just double click on it. So there will be a mini calendar pop up here, and it will be and it is available for all the cells in the entire table. And just add your category, subcategory, and the amount here. So like for example, if I want to add income, so I will only see the income related sources here in this drop down. Like for example, if I can show you here, these are the income related sources. And if you want to add an expense, so you can see this drop down will be updated to only expenses category. So it will be uh, uh, automatically change the items under this drop down based on your parent category. So let me add one. We have a life here. So let me add a life. You can see the update here, 200. So you don't need to add everything in their relevant table. Just add your entries in the transaction list, and the entire table will be automatically populated based on your these two categories, category and subcategory. And one more thing, uh, as you can see here, the cash flow summary. So you can't see opening balance here because this is the first month of the year, January. And for the rest of the month, you can see this closing balance will be automatically carry forward to the next month, like here. And this month, closing balance will be opening balance of the next month. So you will have the exact amount of numbers according to your transaction inputs in this table. And yes, this is a very beginner friendly Google Sheet template, and the best way to add your income, expense, savings, and any type of uh, metrics under this one template. So I hope you guys like this template, and if you want to download this, I will add a link under the description of this video. Kindly check it out. If you want to use this template, you can download it. Thank you so much.